Welcome to Sharingtools. In this tutorial, we will explain how to use the Close Friends automation feature on Hybrid Pro. You will learn how to mass add and remove users, configure settings based on your account trust score, and optimize the circulation algorithm to maintain an engaged Close Friends list. Let's get started. Step 1. Enabling Close Friends automation. First, navigate to the Close Friends section in the menu. Enable the Close Friends automation by checking the Enable box. This will allow the tool to automatically add or remove users from your Close Friends list. This feature helps you manage exclusive content visibility by limiting interactions to selected followers. Step 2. Choosing an action. Bulk. Add or bulk remove. You have two main options. Bulk. Add. Adds users to your close friends list. Bulk remove. Removes users from the list. If you want to rotate users, you should use the circulation algorithm instead of the default method. Step 3. Selecting an algorithm. Default versus circulate. There are two algorithms available. Default algorithm. This is the standard mode. You manually add or remove users in bulk. Circulate algorithm. This is a dynamic method that rotates users in your close friends list. Every 48 hours, the tool removes existing users and adds new ones from your followers or a custom list. The system circulates up to 7 on 500 users, keeping engagement high. If you are using the Circulate algorithm, you must post close friends content daily to maximize its benefits. If you have more than 7 of 500 followers, you can use this algorithm to benefit all your audience. Step 4. Setting the number of users and delay. To avoid action blocks, configure the number of users and delay between actions. Number of users per batch. You can select between 1 to 20 users per action. Delay between actions. We recommend 3 minutes for optimal performance. The best setting based on experience is 20 users every 3 minutes. Step 5. Advanced options for close friends. There are several additional options to customize automation. Invite all followers. If enabled, all followers are considered for close friends. Custom ID list allows you to add users from a predefined list instead of random followers. Automatically invite new followers. Adds new followers to close friends automatically. Skip suggested users. Excludes users suggested by Instagram. Skip previously added users. Avoids adding the same users multiple times. Infinite invite mode. Keeps adding users indefinitely instead of stopping at one rotation. If you restart the task, the system continues from the last added user unless you enable the skip already added users option. Step 6. Whitelisting users. If you want certain users to always remain on your close friends list, use the whitelist option. Add usernames or profile links manually. Users on this list will never be removed during automation. Step 7. Important notes for Hybrid Pro. Hybrid Pro requires at least one target to function properly. Even though this target is not related to close friends, it is necessary for the system to start processing. Up to your account trust score, you can adjust delays, but we recommend keeping the setting at 20 users every 3 minutes for best results. And that's it. Now you know how to fully automate close friends management using Hybrid Pro on Sharingtools. If you are using the Circulate algorithm, remember to post exclusive close friends content daily to get the most engagement. For best results, fine-tune your settings based on your account trust level. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other guides on Sharingtools automation.